The 2008 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, running boards, traction control, stability control, tow hitch, premium wheels, four-wheel drive, XM satellite radio, heated seats, HomeLink garage door opener. Come see the car for yourself.